clothes.
Okay.
But where we go? We can go there. Okay. Let's go.
Welcome. Please sit. Please sit here. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Please show me some clothes.
Okay. What do you want?
You have t-shirts?
Yes. You have jeans?
Could you show me some jeans?
You have jeans? Yes.
Wow.
Please
Show me some
more.
t-shirts.
Wow,
I like it. What is the price of this jeans?
Show me t-shirts.
What is the price of this t-shirt?
I love it. Excuse me. I can pack it.
What is the price of this t-shirt?
This t-shirt price is 650 rupees.
Please pack it.
Okay. Excuse me.
I only bought only one jeans. And please show me some jeans.
This is jeans. Show me t-shirts.
What is the price of this jeans?
The jeans is 400 rupees.
Please pack it.
Show me brown t-shirts.
I think I will bought some t-shirts. Please show me.
This is t-shirt. And show me.
Wow, what's the price of this t-shirt?
This t-shirt price is 300.
Okay.
This and this package. This is package.
Yeah, this is better. What is the price of this?
6,000. And show me.
My God,
Oh,
6,000.
sorry, 600.
Okay. See. My shopping is done. My also.
And
Yes? Shopping is done, yeah.
no. Package. Yes. My shopping also done.
Okay.
What did you want?
No, that's enough.
Bill? Bill, there is cash counter. Please pay bill.
What is our total bill? 40,000.
Your total bill is 40,000.
OMG, 40,000? 40,000? Do you know now what are you saying? Please check it again.
Oh, sorry, I mistake. Your total bill is 4,000.
Please give us some discount.
Yes. Your total bill is 3,500. Will you have my number?
Yes. Please check.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Please come again.
Also, today's lot of fun, na?
Yeah.
We buy only some t-shirts and